Hey guys, this is your assignment 2 for science. It says, do the connect with your child section of STEMscopia. For this one, you are going to need to do this with your parents. Please don't do it while they're working, but maybe do it in the evening or something when they are done with the things that they need to do as well. So it says, note, you can bake anything you want, cookies, brownies, etc. Just discuss the different states of matter that you are observing at each step. Boiling water in a pan can replace the tea kettle. So let me explain. In STEMscopia, we had done all the other ones up above this one. So the very last page says connecting with your child. You did the other ones not yesterday, but on assignment 1. So this one is just finishing the STEMscopia stuff. It says connecting with your child. Cooking that matters. Cooking is a great way to help children learn the differences between states of matter. Ask your child to help you make pizza, a food that is a great example of all 3 states of matter. You can find many different recipes online. Here is a summary of the main steps. Okay, so this is just, I'm not going to read all of this. This is just giving you a pizza recipe, basically. But like the instructions said, you do not just have to make pizza. You can make anything that you want to. I'm just talking about the 3 states of matter, solid, liquid, gas, as you are cooking. And talk about how temperature changes those possibly. And that is your assignment for the second one. So if you need my help, you know how to reach me. Have fun.